What did you dream?
I dreamt of flying high.
Guess what's for breakfast?
Is it yummy pancakes?
How was school?
School was really fun.
Ready for the day?
Yes, I'm totally ready.
What's first today?
I want to paint today.
Did you see the sky?
Yes, it's so bright and blue.
Why are you smiling?
Because I'm really happy.
What story tonight?
Let's read about brave dragons.
Did you learn something new?
I learned about outer space.
What made you happy today?
Playing with my best friends.
Why did you laugh?
A really funny joke.
What's your secret plan?
It's a special surprise.
What did you draw?
I drew a huge castle.
Why are you excited?
I love this fun day.
What did you see outside?
I saw a cute bird.
Did you enjoy your snack?
Yes, it was really tasty.
Why did you choose that?
I really liked the color.
What did you build today?
I built a tall tower.
Did you solve the puzzle?
Yes, I finally solved it.
What's your favorite game?
I love playing hide and seek.
Why did you pick this book?
I like the cool cover.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I'm finally done.
What made you proud today?
I helped my best friend.
Why are you in a hurry?
I'm super excited.
Why are you in a hurry?
I want a big sandwich.
Why did you pick this outfit?
It's my favorite color ever.
What did you learn at school?
We learned about wild animals.
Do you want to go outside?
Yes, let's go outside.
What did you find?
I found a really cool rock.
Did you see something cool?
Yes, I saw a butterfly.
What's your next plan?
I want to draw something.
Why did you make that face?
It really surprised me.
Did you hear that sound?
Yes, it was really loud.
What did you enjoy most today?
Playing at fun recess.
Do you want a snack?
Yes, please, I'm hungry.
What's your favorite subject?
I love doing art.
Why did you change your mind?
I like this one more.
Did you finish your project?
Yes, it's all finished.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite is blue.
Why are you tired?
I played a lot today.
What did you play at recess?
We played fun tag.
Did you bring your lunch?
Yes, I brought it.
What do you want to do next?
I want to read now.
Why did you hide?
I was playing hide and seek.
What did you say to your friend?
I told them a funny joke.
Do you want to help?
Yes, I'll definitely help.
What made you smile?
You made me really smile.
Did you enjoy your meal?
It was so delicious.
Why are you sleepy?
I didn't sleep very well.
What did you write?
I wrote a cool story.
What's your plan for the day?
I want to go to the park.
Did you pack your bag?
Yes, everything's all ready.
What's your favorite toy?
My favorite is my robot.
Why did you stop playing?
I got really tired.
What did you see in the park?
I saw a cute squirrel.
Did you bring your jacket?
Yes, I brought it.
Why did you choose that game?
It looked really fun.
What's your favorite animal?
I love friendly dogs.
Did you do your chores?
Yes, I did them.
What did you think of the movie?
It was super awesome.
Why are you so happy?
I'm just really happy today.
What did you draw today?
I drew a big house.
Do you want to play a game?
Yes, let's play together.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want cereal for breakfast.
Do you feel well?
Yes, I feel fine.
Why did you wake up so early?
I woke up because I had a dream.
Do you need help with that?
No, I don't need help right now.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why are you laughing?
I'm laughing because it was funny.
Do you have your backpack?
Yes, I have my backpack.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Why didn't you finish your meal?
I wasn't very hungry.
Do you want to play outside?
Yes, I want to play outside.
What time is your class today?
My class is at 9 a.m.
Why are you feeling sad?
I'm feeling sad.
Honey, it is time to wake up.
Just 5 more minutes, Mom.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, Mom, I am just finishing up.
Are you ready for school?
Almost, just need to find my shoes.
Do not forget your lunchbox.
Got it, Mom.
Did you finish your homework?
I am almost done, just one more question.
Did you pack your school bag?
I packed it this morning.
Are you hungry?
A little bit, maybe a snack.
What would you like for breakfast?
I would like some cereal and milk.
Is your uniform ready?
Yes, it is all set.
Did you take your vitamins?
Yes, I took them already.
Did you feed the fish?
Yes, I gave them some food.
Are you ready for your exam?
Yes, I reviewed my notes.
Do you need help with your tie?
No, I can do it myself.
Did you remember your water bottle?
Yes, I have it in my bag.
Did you tidy up your room?
I tidied up a bit.
Did you finish your milk?
Yes, I finished it with breakfast.
Are you excited for school today?
Yes, I am looking forward to it.
Do you have your homework in your bag?
Yes, it is all in there.
Did you say goodbye to your dad?
Yes, I gave him a hug.
Are your shoes clean?
Yes, they are all clean.
Did you put on your jacket?
Yes, I put it on.
Did you double-check your schedule?
Yes, I checked it twice.
Are you bringing your gym clothes?
Yes, I packed them.
Did you get enough sleep last night?
Yes, I slept well.
Did you turn off your alarm?
Yes, I turned it off.
Did you zip up your backpack?
Yes, it is zipped up.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I feel fine.
Did you say hello to the bus driver?
Yes, I said good morning.
Did you enjoy your lunch?
Yes, it was delicious.
Did you play with your friends at recess?
Yes, we played tag.
Did you learn something new today?
Yes, I learned a new fact.
Are you ready to do your homework?
Yes, I am ready to start.
Did you have fun at school?
Yes, it was a good day.
Did you take notes in class?
Yes, I wrote down key points.
Did you remember to bring home all your books?
Yes, I packed them all.
Did you take a snack for school?
Yes, I brought some fruit.
Are you planning to play after school?
Yes, I will play with my friends.
Did you remember to wear your hat?
Yes, I put it on.
Did you close the door when you left?
Yes, I closed it.
Did you lock the house?
Yes, I locked it.
Did you put away your toys?
Yes, I put them away.
Are you feeling tired?
A little bit.
Did you wash your hands before eating?
Yes, I washed them before lunch.
Did you finish your vegetables?
Yes, I finished all of them.
Did you thank your teacher?
Yes, I thanked her.
Did you greet your friends?
Yes, I greeted them.
Did you enjoy today's lesson?
Yes, it was very interesting.
Did you practice your reading?
Yes, I practiced reading out loud.
Did you understand your math problems?
Yes, I understood them better.
Are you ready for your tuition class?
Yes, I am ready for it.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want cereal for breakfast.
Do you feel well?
Yes, I feel fine.
Why did you wake up so early?
I woke up because I had a dream.
Do you need help with that?
No, I don't need help right now.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why are you laughing?
I'm laughing because it was funny.
Do you have your backpack?
Yes, I have my backpack.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Why didn't you finish your meal?
I wasn't very hungry.
Do you want to play outside?
Yes, I want to play outside.
I admire your determination.
I admire your determination.
You have a wonderful imagination.
You have a wonderful imagination.
Let's spend some time just being together.
Let's spend some time just being together.
What are your dreams and goals?
What are your dreams and goals?
You are a blessing to our family.
You are a blessing to our family.
Let's plan a fun day out.
Let's plan a fun day out.
Your kindness makes a big difference.
Your kindness makes a big difference.
I love hearing your ideas.
I love hearing your ideas.
You have a special talent for this.
You have a special talent for this.
Let's have a cozy movie night.
Let's have a cozy movie night.
You are stronger than you think.
You are stronger than you think.
What's something fun we can do together?
What's something fun we can do together?
Your hard work really paid off.
Your hard work really paid off.
I love how you care for others.
I love how you care for others.
Let's make a craft project together.
Let's make a craft project together.
You are my sunshine.
You are my sunshine.
What was the highlight of your day?
What was the highlight of your day?
You can achieve anything you set your mind to.
You can achieve anything you set your mind to.
I enjoy our time together so much.
I enjoy our time together so much.
Let's read a book before bed.
Let's read a book before bed.
Let's bake some cookies together.
Let's bake some cookies together.
You have such a positive attitude.
You have such a positive attitude.
I love seeing you so happy.
I love seeing you so happy.
Let's go for a bike ride.
Let's go for a bike ride.
You are a wonderful listener.
You are a wonderful listener.
What's something you're curious about?
What's something you're curious about?
Your creativity is amazing.
Your creativity is amazing.
You light up my life.
You light up my life.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning, sweetheart.
How did you sleep last night?
How did you sleep last night?
What would you like for breakfast?
What would you like for breakfast?
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
How was school today?
How was school today?
Do you have any homework?
Do you have any homework?
Let's read a book together.
Let's read a book together.
Can you help me set the table?
Can you help me set the table?